morning, guys. Welcome back to the Bridges YouTube channel. It is currently 9 a.m. Mr. Bridges himself has still not gotten out of bed. No. So today we've got some plans, not for this, but for this. Last time we did something like this with a vehicle, it did not end well. Now we're trying to take the hitch off of the Raptor. Oh, big strong Russian man. All right, so we got the hitch off the Raptor and Josh has moved to the Miata, which is time to pull it out. And I think we're gonna have a little bit of fun in this thing. Jason, we're gonna go do something. And I don't want you to be nervous, but like, last time this happened, you may or may not have bruised a rib.
I'm not going there.
You know the first time?
Hi, Josh.
Every time you went around, you got closer and closer to me. Yeah. And you were just throwing mud all over me.
I was thinking about that. I was like, I wonder how much mud is getting on Josh.
It's all in my shoes. Water!
Yeah, we're done off-roading the Raptor, and now the crucial step that isn't as interesting, but just as needed, more needed really, it's time to clean it because it is covered in mud. I mean, it's really not that bad. The camera never picks up mud. Update on my exhaust, by the way. So it's hitting my shock because it's a cheap exhaust kit, and I'm wondering if that's gonna like start burning my shock. Oh, look at the exhaust! It's like burnt on. You see where the shock is? Mm-hmm. Yeah, see the mark where it's been burning the shock. Is the shock burnt too? No. No?
Nope. Shock's fine.
Dude, that's.
But there's a mark on the side.
That's not good.
The side of the exhaust.
So what we need to do in that case then is kind of like
the fact that
loosen everything, move it to the other way. And then tighten it again.
Oh, that was not smart.
What was it?
Sorry. I put my thumb inside the pipe.
That's annoying because that exhaust kit was like, I mean, I know it was cheap, but I still want it to fit, like semi-even fit, you know? Don't go cheap on diesel exhaust.
Or any exhaust.
Yeah, don't go cheap on anything automotive.
Literally any car part. Because you end up having a bad time and then you end up buying the expensive thing in the end anyway.
Yep.
So might as well just buy it the first time.
There you go.
And that's why my car's still stock.
Stuff that isn't like cheap knockoffs of good stuff, but like cheap options that are instead of the good things, like cutting out a muffler instead of buying an expensive exhaust.
Yeah.
I agree with him 100%. By the way, speaking of exhaust, two things. The last video was the install of the 5-inch exhaust pump pop. I mean, I revved it, but we were at a college, it was nighttime, so I didn't rev it enough. So I'm thinking I'm gonna give him another rev. Also, you haven't heard it.
Exactly.
Kevin, that sounds so good. And that was a lot.
I'm telling you, the revs are a lot louder. Didn't I say
cool.
the revs are a lot louder now? My neighbors are getting really sick of it because I do it every day now. Because the revs are so much louder, I can't help but do it all the time.
See, like,
what am I supposed to do?
What are you supposed to do when you just got a new exhaust and it's like way louder and you're having a crap ton of fun with it?
That's exactly
Right.
what I was like. Literally exactly what I was saying.
Literally exactly in the video.
I know. Neighbors be tripping.
They be tripping, man. Damn, what it's like to have a new exhaust and be like excited about it and like want to rev it, like.
Exactly, because all my neighbors are like 85 years old.
And they don't get new exhaust.
Exactly. So one thing though, whenever the Raptor we were off-roading, the problem with off-roading a Raptor, if you're trying to get from A to B, and the off-roading is like really, really rugged, and it's like most trucks couldn't do it, Raptor's best for it.
Oh yeah, it just goes straight through.
Yes, but if you're trying to whip it and have fun, it's still just as fun.
It just wants to get from point A to point B.
Yes.
It doesn't want to have fun.
Yes, it does not want to break that traction. So trying to do a donut in a Raptor on dirt, it's like the whole entire time it's doing, no, I don't want to do it, but it's trying to do it anyway.
It's like, no, I don't want to lose control. I just want to get you where you're going, man.
Exactly.
I don't want to lose, I don't want you to crash.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. It has like the perfect amount of traction for power for off-roading.
Yeah.
So that's why one thing, whenever you saw the donuts, they weren't exactly the greatest donuts in the world. I know what I'm doing when it comes to dirt donuts. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, yeah.
So I know what I'm doing when it comes to that. And if it was my F-250, it would have definitely broke and started like drifting really, really cool. But I just wanted to say that real quick. With that being said, thanks for stopping in on Bridges Vlogs. Come subscribe, hit that notification bell.
I'm out.